Yeah, man, it's an honor to be here. Marcia Rufus, I'm so honored to be here. Just to, even if me never did I sing, me just honored to them on the same stage. Gratitude. Moonlight will shine right through the house. Like the jungles, the young move the coach. To make me wanna hear when you say ooh. Look out your phone, don't make nobody call you. Busy signal, me I go make you smile you. Baby, we make it love, let it flow again. Boy, I want to give you some sweet love. On the night shift, whether you walk down this one, the right shift. Yes, oh baby girl, hold it tight. Yeah, on the night shift, that's it. Yo, I'm gonna tell us that blessing. A blessing. We're not watching mud. We're not watching mud. We all came from that. Now watching mud, we're there all the time. Yeah, man. I'm looking for the ladies tonight. Sexy ladies. All my ladies, big one for them too. Hello, baby, thank you. I don't know the next thing you know. Even tonight, young love. Come on, be a part of the combo. Make me rock in the damn shit to know. From the chest, rest your head on the show. I make me listen some and beat a beater. Take a look till you wake up. And again, the girls, they're all I need. And I'm always missing you, miss you, baby. Miss you, always. I need you, take me, yes. Miss you. Yo, beat up on this now. Miss you, baby. Miss you. Alright, let me get I can't miss you, baby. Cease. I'm trying to write this up. I'm on the one more. Marcia, make me the one more. And I've represented for Jamaica in a different style because all ministers here, big ministers. Everybody on my phone, if you have light it up. 60th. One play the ballad. Marcia celebrating 60 years in music. I'm so, oh my God, this is just different. One thing I be myself, any which way I be about to see with myself. All these are national treasures of Jamaica. Marcia Griffiths have paved the way. Lots of us gone, lots of us are still here. Light it up for Jamaica. Light it up for Marcia. Here man, no accolades, no back accolades. I was like, give thanks and praise. Marcia, I'm so honored to be here tonight. It's a blessing. What girls? Respect Jamaica's cause we can't sell out. Can't flip a wing, we always fly out. Whether we are young or proud, we give thanks for Sister Marcia. Under the tree, the glass and the meal. Tie up in the wet mud, cause we're not free. Represent all over. Everybody, we have the food and practice. Marcia, be yourself. Okay. Comes from the region. and draw it out. We are all here supporting this great cause. And if we do this for more of our national treasures, can't move me myself any which way you're there. Enough more treasures out there. You hear that? Government of Jamaica take the initiative to highlight and represent our elders, represent the pavers, represent the national treasure more. Great music. Everybody wait for Marcia. Let's go for Marcia. Everybody show the hand, represent where you stand. We say we go on Jamaica, God, and all that we are one and
Oh my word. Busy. We love you. Yes. No, I'm going to tell you. We have so many entertainers here this evening. It's